Hello and welcome to Business News You Can Use, a monthly segment on DPTV that highlights the business community in Deer Park. My name is Debbie Westbeld and I'm the Economic Development Administrator for the City of Deer Park. And today we're featuring the Ultimate Baking Company, now open at 910 West Pasadena Boulevard, just south of the South Campus High School. The owner is area native Danya Becker, whose husband is former Deer Park Police Officer Forrest Becker. Danya offers a huge variety of large, delicious cookies, picture-perfect cupcakes, brownies, and thick and yummy cookie cakes, which are custom-made for any occasion. You get to choose the flavor, the icing, and the message. So whether you're stopping by for a quick treat or need dozens for a gift, a party, or an event, the Ultimate Baking Company is quickly becoming the popular stop for amazing sweets and great customer service. Unleash your inner cookie monster and call Danya at 832-429-3913 or visit them on Facebook or on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Business News You Can Use.